So if you want to turn on dark mode on your PC, here's what you can do. You come to the search bar and then you type in color. You choose the first option that appears, which is choose your accent color. You click on it. It will take you to the settings tab, and under the settings tab you'll notice that there's a choose your color, and then mine by default is selected light. So you click on the drop down and then you choose dark. This should take a bit of time, but you'll see that it changes to dark mode. As you can see, it has changed to dark mode. And then if you want to take it back to light mode again, you just click on the drop down and then you select light. And as you can see, there's also another option where you can customize and you choose which colors that you want. But for this video, I'm just gonna show you these two basic ones. Then I'm gonna take it back to light. And as you can see, it takes a bit of time, but it will eventually change to light mode. I hope you guys found this useful. We'll see you guys on the next episode.